I'm here looking at the Cellular Respiration Lab. I'm going to click on the respiration accounting model. That will take me to the website we're going to use. I'm also going to click on the handout. So remember, with this handout, I need to be able to edit the handout. So I'm going to save this to my files, and in this case I'm just saving it to the iCloud drive. Click on save, and then I can access that file right here, and this will let me edit the document. Alright, so now that I'm looking at my lab here, I want to figure out how temperature and glucose are going to affect the ATP production. So I'm going to go back here to the lab that we're simulating, and I'm going to start adjusting some of the factors. So to see it, I'm just opening it in Safari so I can have a better look at what it is I'm doing. And so this is my model, but I want to make sure I'm clicking on the tab that says ATP production. So I click on the ATP production tab. Now on my handout, it tells me that I need to find the maximum ATP production. So I'm going to adjust the temperature only and run that simulation at 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100 degrees. So back to the simulation here, and I'm just adjusting the temperature. Now I can click in the box here to adjust that temperature, because sometimes using my finger is a little rough. So I'm going to click 20 and just hit enter, and I can see that I'm getting around 37 for the ATP production. Now I'm going to adjust it to 40, hit run again, and I'll get another number. Now remember, I want the maximum production, so 20, 40, 60, and I'm going to click run, and I'm looking for what will be the best ATP production. All right, once I've gone through all of the temperature simulations, now I'm going to go through the glucose simulations. So I'm going to reset the lab and then adjust the glucose levels, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So back to the lab, I'm just clicking the orange reset, which gives me a start, and then I'm clicking on the initial glucose levels, 2. I'm going to run it, and then click again, 4, and run it. And then I'll click again, 6, and then run it. And I'm looking for the best for the glucose production, or the ATP production. That's my goal, and that should help you get some data for your lab.